guys, Kid Broly back. It's late on my side, so don't complain if it's going to be a short with. So yeah, let's get started. I only showed this slide basically last time, but I have like way more slides. So yeah, let's see. Well, Naruto and Sasuke are basically. I'm going to say that Naruto and Sasuke are asking for a higher ranked mission. I'm just going to say, yeah, that. Because I just want to move on with the story. So yeah, they went through all the other missions like in canon, and they're asking for a higher rate mission. That the Hokage agrees with this, and they basically go to the Land of Waves arc. So yeah, Naruto is basically has her Byakugan on, and Hinata has her Byakugan on. So there you basically can see the twins. Those, twins are hiding in the water. And they basically just throw some kunai at them. So yeah. Sasuke basically says nice save or something like that. And Naruto Naruto's basically blushing at this point. So yeah. She basically says, yeah, no problem. And they're just going along, and they see Zabuza. Yeah, Zabuza. Somehow I remember his name over Akashi's, I'm pretty sure. However, I'm pretty sure I'm just going to keep calling him the Copy Ninja. So yeah. I'm pretty sure it's Itachi's. But I could be wrong. I don't remember any of the characters in this show. Besides Naruto and apparently Zabuza. So yeah. And basically they're going to fight him and basically just win. Naruto's going to would Naruto know how to walk on water at this point? I would say no. So Naruto's basically just going to bring out her chains and then just tie, Zabuza to the ground. And they're basically going to question him, and he's not going to give any information. So yeah. Naruto's basically just going to be, yeah. Well, I don't know. Naruto's basically just going to be, yeah, taking him, just, the copy ninja is basically questioning him and basically beating on him, and interrogating. So, of course, there's going to be some torture for interrogation. So, yeah. That happens, and Naruto's basically, fine. They're all just going to be going to the bridge now at this point, taking Zabuza with them, and yeah. Naruto and them are just going to the Land of Waves, I think. So, yeah. Naruto is going to be, all the events will happen like in canon, except Naruto will be the first one, actually second one, to get down the tree walking. So yeah. And the copy ninja doesn't pass out this time. So yeah. Zabuza is basically imprisoned right now, and everyone's basically gonna be fine. Sasuke is actually the one interacting with the Ice Mirror Ninja. I forget who he is. But, no problem. I'm just going to call him the Ice Mirror Ninja. So, yeah. So, yeah, they're going to end up finishing the bridge. It's going to be called the Hyuga Bridge. Because, two Hyugas were doing that. So, and they basically helped beat that entire army. So, yeah. They're going back, and it's Chunin exams. Naruto's basically... I'm going to say that whole Lee fight still happens versus, Sasuke. And Sasuke basically is, well, I'm going to say that Naruto says that's going to be an unfair fight because that you can't expect people to not use their jutsus against you in a real, assignment. So Lee basically allows, him to use his, chakra natures and, and jutsus and stuff like that. So Sasuke overall wins. So yeah. And then let's just go to the exams now. Naruto's gonna get a pretty high score, I'm gonna say. So yeah. And she just uses her Byakugan. Okay, so let's just go to the, forest exam. Naruto and Sasuke are basically going to be... Naruto, Sasuke, and Hinata are basically going to be going... They have the Heaven Scroll, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Naruto's basically just going to, well... I actually don't remember what happens in the forest exam, really. It's been a while since I've watched the anime. So, yeah. Well, Naruto's basically going to... Sorry, just wanted to see if that would, do anything. So, yeah. Well, yeah, I'm just going to say that they get the Earth Scroll basically immediately. And then they just go straight to the place. Sasuke doesn't get the curse mark or anything. So, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Sasuke will win his first fight, and Naruto will win her fight. All the fights are the same, too. So, yeah. Everyone wins the same because they all, basically are the same in canon. Plus, on top of that, Naruto has the Byakugan and more skills, basically. So, yeah. Naruto's definitely going to win. So, yeah. Sasuke might not have the curse mark, but I still think he would win. So, yeah. Naruto's basically just going to be, well... Naruto's just going to be fighting... I forget who Naruto's, fighting. But yeah, Hinata still fights Neji, and Neji basically still wins. And basically, Naruto says, good job to Hinata, and basically, says good job to her brother Neji, so yeah. And Naruto's basically just maybe, celebrate. I'm just going to say every fight's exactly the same. And then when the fight versus Neji happens, Naruto basically uses her chakra chains and ends up just beating Neji, completely down. So yeah, Naruto still wins that one. Uh, oh, oh wait, I forgot a crucial part. The the frog sage thing. I forget who he. Jiraiya. Yeah, Jiraiya. So she basically goes off to find Jiraiya to teach her, and he basically teaches her the well. He basically teaches her how to use her QB, Kurama, and basically tries to teach her the sage. I mean, how to summon. And then she says, I already have a summon. I'm pretty sure you only can have one summon. So yeah. And then Jiraiya asks, what is your summon? And she says, the fox. And Jiraiya is basically surprised. And then she basically shows that she bites her finger and then just puts it on the ground and does the fox summon. So yeah. Uh so Jiraiya's shocked that she can do such a powerful summon. So yeah. And then Jiraiya says set to release all of your chakra or something like that, and then just throws her off the cliff. And then she bites her finger and does the most powerful, fox. So I don't have a name for this fox, but I would call it. Hold on, real quick. I need to do something. Freaking. Okay, so it's going to be a giant fox called Kasai. She's basically going to be moody and stuff like that, and basically say, who has summoned me, or something like that. And Naruto basically will say, yeah, I did. I am Naruto Uzumaki Hyuga. And then Kasai is basically going to be shocked. And yeah, Naruto's basically just going to be, yeah, saying, someone just threw her off a cliff. So yeah. Okay, let's go back to where I was. That whole fight with Sasuke and Gaara basically still happens. And Gaara basically says, Earth Mother or something like that. And blood, and just goes out of control. And Sasuke basically, yeah, and they basically go looking for him. That whole fight still happens, and yeah. Did I call her Kasai, the giant fox? Go check again. Okay, so that whole event still happens, and Naruto basically has to summon Kasai again. And it is a really huge amount of chakra that she has to use to summon her. And she's basically asking, why have you summoned me? And basically, Naruto explains the One Tails, beast. And she basically says, oh, that makes sense. And then she basically asks if, he has any wind chakra. And he says yes. And she basically, says, okay. So she basically breathes back and says, I need to use some of your chakra. And then she just releases some fire. And then he basically releases some wind chakra. Like a wind bullet, I'm going to say. So, and it's going to be a pretty huge wind bullet, too. Like fireball jutsu, it's going to be a massive fire. It's basically going to be a massive wind bullet jutsu. So yeah. This is going to be the end of my web for now. And by the way, all that events still happen. And Naruto basically says, basically something different, and still gets to the point across to Gaara. So this is going to be the end of my whip for now, and peace.